I got Metamucil.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should have made one. I don't like that hotel.
That Best Western? Not real impressed.
It's like nobody knows what's going on.
Yeah. It was a good night's sleep.
I did. I slept really good. Yep. Yeah, I slept really good. It's a big tow truck.
Yeah, it is.
It's like seriously freaking huge. Huh?
Probably also for like some of these deep cliffs.
Yeah.
They need something heavy to be able to stabilize on the upper ground.
Right. Well, they obviously couldn't have hit it very hard because the airbags didn't deploy, which would have sucked.
I don't know that they would deploy in park. No seatbelts and no pressure on the seats.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know how that works. Diesel's $3.99 a gallon there.
Huh? That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's 30 cents a gallon cheaper than we just paid for.
Yeah. Said Eel Creek Campground, Dunes area. Now we're Dunes Trailhead is up here. Right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just pointing signs out.
Right. Lakeshore Lodge, restaurant, lounge, RV park, dune access, airport way. I got 4 signs to year 2.
Narrow bridge. Oh, looky, mile marker 223. Can you just imagine that?
Comes another state trooper.
Huh?
It's the second one. Yeah, I need another one.
Lots of those friendly people were showing me ways that I was.
That must be the guy I read about that skateboarding across the country.
No, it is? Huh.
Yes, Jenny. I wish this thing would, like, show you the water. Like, not like in color. You know, like the GPS does in the truck.
Maybe that's just the way TomTom is. I don't know.
Try 3D.
Didn't really do anything different. Just I'm looking for like color or something.
Right.
It's not gonna show me any of that.
Yeah, I slept pretty dang good.
Yeah, I did too.
We went to bed at 9, and I woke up at 5:11.
Yeah, I turned over and looked at the clock at 4:34.
Says open.
Oh wow. Huh.
Yeah, I remember when you got up. Because I asked if you were alright.
Yeah. Yeah, I just had to get up and pee. And we were both laying there saying almost get up. But then we slept for another 2 hours. Or an hour and a half anyway.
Hour and a half.
Looked like you only had one headlight working.
Could have been the low beam. of them are on high
High
beam.
beam, yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know how those work.
You can see the dunes over there.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
Yeah, I don't know. I've never done that before. I've seen too many accidents.
Yeah, it's a blast. We used to do it all the time in Pismo.
5 and Eric
Yeah.
Deluxe together have
We're talking like you're like this going
Yeah.
straight
Yeah.
up those dunes.
I'm Magic Man on 70s on
That'd
7.
be
Speaking
nothing
of
I'd
Diplo's
be interested
Revolution,
in.
53 in your Sirius XM app.
I can stand
89
back
Los
and
Angeles, 11 in New
video
York.
you
We're gonna fuck you.
and
However, no
pictures
matter
and
how
all
lucky
while
they
you're out
get,
there
they can
having
never
fun.
match
I mean,
the
that'd be
pure soul
cool.
of this lovely Chicago.
You just have to stay on it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you're going to lose your traction.
Right. Yeah, see, that'd be what I'd be afraid of.
Want to stop?
We can if you want.
Yeah, well, I mean, not in a blazing hurry, so.
Right.
Picture of this Veterans Memorial.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, we're not in a hurry.
I know.
Hang on. Because the keys are in here.
Yeah.